Hello, I am Ranveer Desai. Firstly, a little introduction about why we are doing what we are doing right now. Okay.
Yes.
If you are listening to this, it means that you have come to this video drawn by the sense of familiarity you share with me. Maybe this is not the thing you expected it to be, or maybe you would uncover a thing or two about how other people think. I like to consider this as an exercise in being a good listener. So let's gather some perspectives from my friends, juniors, students, and acquaintances. Today we have two guests with us, both being top scorer in GATE 2021 in their respective department in our institute. Prathamesh Bhosle is a final year student of instrumentation engineering. He scored 61 marks and is standing at rank 192 in IN code. He has also appeared for EE code, that is the electrical code, and scored 55.34 marks with rank of 1683. He is also my neighbor and go-to guy when I need some problem solved or a well-formed opinion in exam space. The other guest with us, Vishal Gupta, is a third year student of electrical engineering. He has scored 53.67 marks in EE paper code. He is currently part of a class that I am teaching this semester, and I thought he would bring a different point of view to this discussion. So let's begin, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay, so this is going to be an open discussion, and both of you can interrupt me or add some of your answers. Okay, this is going to
Yes, sir.
an open discussion. So the first question to you is that this is going to be a bold question. You might consider, you might even call it as a blunt question. Okay, so in what condition one should consider appearing for GATE?
Okay. I will take on this.
Yes.
Uh, Sir, according to me, if we are in tier 2 or tier 3 college, and if we are in mechanical, civil, instrumentation, electrical, electronics, and computer science,
Hmm.
then this exam will provide us a huge amount of opportunities in our new.
Okay.
For example, we can admit into higher education.
Hmm.
This exam made for higher education. We can admit into PSU's public sector unit. We can admit into IIM's fellowship, management college, that is NITI Mumbai,
Hmm.
and PhD, direct PhD programs through IIT, that is covered in higher education,
Hmm.
and so many other things also.
Okay.
And
Yeah, continue.
score valid for 3 years for higher education. And this
Hmm.
exam is very easy for those who had studied IIT JEE. It doesn't mean that he scored very well in IIT JEE, but someone who studied in IIT JEE, for him the exam is very easy.
Okay,
And
that you mean to say that the JE aspirant of the past can work well with the GATE also.
very well.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Vishal, do you like to throw some light from the perspective that you are coming from one of the core branches,
Yes.
electrical engineering? So I think that it would be applicable to other branches also, civil engineering and mechanical engineering. These being the core branches, I think they have more avenues for core engineers in government or PSUs, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So you can you shed some light on that, like what? Uh,
Yeah, yes, sir.
hmm.
Sir, I am more comfortable in Hindi, तो
Yeah, yeah,
मैं
sure.
यस सर. सर मतलब मेरा ऐसा पॉइंट था कि मतलब स्टार्टिंग में सर मेरे को ऐसा ज्यादा एकदम आइडिया नहीं था.
Hmm.
तो मैंने बस सर मतलब कि हम लोग का ऐसा था कि मतलब कॉलेज में मतलब कि अपन लोग स्टडी तो कर रहे हैं तो सर मतलब थोड़े मतलब सीनियर्स ने थोड़ा बहुत गाइडेंस दिया था कि मतलब गेट एक ऐसा एग्जाम है तो मतलब एक अच्छी खासी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मतलब हायर स्टडीज के लिए। और पीएसयू सर, मतलब मेरा जो था सर पीएसयू का था, तो मतलब मैंने वही वही मतलब सोच के मतलब ये गेट का स्टडी स्टार्ट किया था। और एक ये था कि मतलब अपन मतलब पढ़ तो रहे हैं, मतलब जो अपना एकेडमिक्स का है, तो मतलब थोड़ा और अगर अपन ने अच्छे से और थोड़ा सा मतलब अच्छे लेवल का कर लिए, तो सर मतलब गेट का अपन इजीली क्लियर कर सकते हैं। और मतलब आगे सर बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल जाती कि मतलब अपन ने एक एग्जाम क्लियर करने के बाद अपने को मतलब अब्रॉड जाने के लिए, या फिर अपने को एमटेक करना है, तो अपना आईआईटीज एनआईटीज के कॉलेज मिल जाते हैं। अपना एक मतलब ड्रीम रहता किसी का कि मतलब मेरे को आईआईटी से एनआईटी से मतलब करना था इंजीनियरिंग, लेकिन वो नहीं होता, तो मतलब सर एक चांस मिल जाता कि गेट के थ्रू कि मतलब अपन आईआईटी से
हो
एनआईटीज में जा
सकता है.
सकते हैं।
Yeah, yeah.
यस सर।
So, did you know this when you started? Like, how many seats are there for MTech for your branch? Did you do some research for this, or was it purely based on the motivations that I mean you get from watching seniors or some other people?
नो सर, मतलब मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में सर मतलब उतना आइडिया नहीं था, बट मेरे को मतलब मतलब जो भैया लोग हैं, मतलब सीनियर्स हैं हम लोग के, उन्होंने मतलब बताई थी कि मतलब अगर आपको मतलब जॉब चाहिए अच्छा, तो मतलब पीएसयू एक सबसे बेस्ट है। मैंने मतलब उसका यूट्यूब वगैरह पे सर्च किया था, तो मतलब
Okay.
मैं उसी, हाँ सर, मतलब मेरा एक वही मतलब मेन ये था पर्सपेक्टिव कि मतलब मेरे को गेट इसीलिए देना है कि मेरे को पीएसयू का जॉब चाहिए करके।
Okay, so this is a nice thing that you said. Like Bhaiya log, yeah, seniors actually they help you. They help a lot in shaping your journey of
यस सर, यस।
graduation, and I think that graduation is the point where the path that you will go will be set in. That is the most what you can say, that you are most sensitive to the things that are outward. So in that way, this is also a good point that you start
Sir, I want
get.
to add something
Yeah,
to
yeah,
it.
sure, sure.
Sir, as you said, senior will shape your career.
Hmm.
I want to add something to it. That
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
with the proper study material, video course, whatever it may be,
Hmm.
nowadays video courses are available free of cost
Hmm.
in any website. Okay.
Yeah.
With that,
Huh.
if a senior guide us for a very particular pattern, then it
Okay.
is very easy for us to crack GATE.
Okay.
Because
Nice. Hmm.
during my GATE preparation,
Hmm.
there was no one to guide me.
Hmm.
So, for example, a subject I was studying from NPTEL, then I was studying from here, then there. Then at last I get to know that okay, this one was very good. If already someone had told me that, okay,
Huh. So I want to get to this point. I
this
see.
thing, then my time and
Huh.
efforts will not
Would have
vanish.
been saved. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, would
That
have
that
been
we
saved.
call in the as पुढच्या स्टेज मागचा शहाणा. So this is
So I
exactly
will
what I'm
say,
looking for.
so
Like
I will say,
hmm.
if there is X amount of study you require for GATE by yourself, then with guidance you will only require 0.25x amount of study. That
Okay.
X is
So the
very big number.
efficiency can
Say,
be increased. Yeah.
yeah, efficiency
Hmm.
will
So I
be.
think most of the time that engineers spend in in I think gathering the study material rather than studying them actually, right?
यस
But
सर, यस सर।
frankly and
Yeah.
truly speaking,
That's the
there
case.
on the YouTube for
Uh,
GATE there is I can say 80% full covered syllabus,
okay.
and on some websites and some Telegram groups there are other 20% remaining. Full course syllabus is on there. So, but the main problem that a student faces, that which one I should study. There are 20 courses in communication system. Which one I should study?
Mhm.
So
So that
here the senior
analysis
can guide you.
paralysis is there. Yeah. So you need to choose, and to choose, actually, it is the case. See, I often say that you know how to study for that exam after that exam is over, and
Absolutely.
you may have experienced this also. But this we always say that just after, right after studying or getting through that exam, after that exam is over, you can tell you are expert in giving that exam. You can tell others that you should have studied this, you should or rather I should have studied this, I missed this, or
Yes, sir.
this is only a like I often say, it is a breadth game, not a depth game. So you don't need to study
And
each
sir,
chapter in depth. Rather, if you touch each chapter in the basics, it would be gainful. So that
sir,
comes after giving exam. Yeah.
sir, this exam is not only based upon the amount that you study. It also
Okay.
on how you study. For example, have you cleared your all doubts? Each day I have cleared so many doubts, like 50 doubts or 20 doubts each day. I was asking to someone asking to me, and I cleared that doubt.
Okay. So
And then the
concepts
study,
is
then
more
short notes.
important than practice. Yeah.
Yeah. Means if you only believe in study, then it is very hard to crack this exam. There are so many other perspectives to this exam. For example, notes, you have to write full notes, then you have to write short notes, and
Yeah.
short notes should be based on your style. Based upon your style, you have to revise till that subject will become a common sense for you.
Okay. Yeah, Vishal.
If the subject will
Yes,
become
sir.
common sense, then you can say that, okay, this is the saturation.
Okay.
Yes,
Vishal,
sir.
do you agree with all the things that he said?
Yes,
Maybe the
yes, sir.
methodology could be different for both of you. I don't
Yeah.
think. But it
Yes, sir.
certainly was different
This
for me.
was my methodology, I
Yeah.
would say.
यस सर सर जैसा भैया ने बोले कि सर वो जो मटेरियल गैदर करना सर बहुत मतलब उसमें सबसे ज्यादा सर टाइम वेस्ट होता सर मतलब
Yes,
मेरा
yes.
सर मतलब हाँ, मेरे जो सीनियर्स हैं मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल के मतलब फर्स्ट या सेकंड ईयर के तो सर मेरा उन लोगों से ज्यादा कांटेक्ट नहीं हुआ था बट जब सर मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में था तो मतलब हम लोग जब जिम में जाते थे तो वहाँ पे बहुत से मतलब भैया थे फोर्थ ईयर के जो मतलब गेट का प्रिपेयर कर चुके थे जो
Okay.
पीएस वगैरह जाके आ चुके थे तो भैया ने मतलब मेरे को वो सीनियर्स ने मतलब मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से गाइडेंस किए थे मतलब मटेरियल तो मतलब एग्जैक्ट नहीं पता थे क्योंकि मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल के मोस्टली नहीं थे बट उन लोगों ने मतलब जैसे कि प्रसाद भैया थे
Okay.
हाँ
Okay. Yeah.
प्रसाद भैया थे और गौरव भैया थे तो उन लोगों ने मतलब मेरे को गाइडेंस दिए थे मतलब कि अभी से कर लो करके मतलब या फिर तुम ऐसा करो बट सर मटेरियल का सर बहुत ही मतलब बहुत इशू हुआ था क्योंकि सर मैंने सिग्नल 4 अलग अलग मतलब यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म से पढ़ा था और लास्ट में मेरे को फिर से सर 5th टाइम पढ़ना पड़ा था तो सर वो
Okay.
एक
Yeah.
I will come to that also, the material
yes,
question. Yeah, but I think this is a great starting point. So the question, like continuing Prathamesh discussion, this is a very cliche question, and I hate when people ask this because it is in no way going to help others. Okay, but still I'm going to go ahead and ask it. How much do you study? Now, this is
Sir,
a
how much
very
study
vague
is not
question.
important. Do you study consistently? It is important because
Okay.
you have to handle 12 subjects in this exam, and you should know about this subject. Means actually what I have read somewhere. I will share this. See, there is the 1,000-hour content, study content. For example, you have joined the video course or you have joined any classes. There is a 1,000-hour study content for this exam. So the top 100 hour, that is formula, short derivation, this should be on your fingertip.
Okay.
And then there is 300 hour, that is the filler theory, and the remaining one is that if some question is come from somewhere, then I will solve with that 700 hours.
So I think is it kind of 80-20 rule that for 80
Yeah, it is like first order step response of first order system.
Okay, so learning curve is
study
something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. To get 100% mark, you need to study infinite time.
Okay. So this might be also I think somewhat. See, let's say consider my example. I don't study a lot for GATE exam. I don't like. I did not study, But with the knowledge or with just some revisions, I managed to get some good or decent marks. But it misleads people into thinking that if I study just like Ranveer, like 1 hour a day, or just before the exam like 10 hours, if you put, you would be also able to get 40 or 50 marks. But that's not the case, because so what happens is that the 50% or the base thing, or the common or simple questions, I can get them through pretty quickly. But the hard questions I cannot even touch. Now even after studying for hundred hours, let's say, for
Yes,
one
yes.
year, if I study 100 hours, I cannot touch those questions. So that learning curve is pretty steep after a certain point. It is not a linear scale. That's
Yeah.
what I understand.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how senseless is this question? How much do you study? Do you get this question a lot from your friends at least?
Sir, this question will make sense if we study in a very good strategic manner.
Okay.
But it will not make sense if we do not have any plan, do not have a strategy. Then
Yeah,
this
yeah.
question will not make any sense.
So discipline is a good thing here. Discipline, consistency,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
sincerity, and those things.
Because sir, why consistency plays a role, I want to point out. See, in GATE preparation, let us say in 20 days I will complete one subject with workbook and video course or anything NPTEL course. So what will happen at the 20th day? After 30th day, the amount of storage of that 20 day will become only 30%. So
Okay, retention is less.
you
Yeah.
need to either you need to revise, or you need to start studying and revise daily. But what will happen if we have given only 1 or 2 day gap, or let us say 10 days gap, then
You are
if
talking
we
about
study continuously,
spaced
then the
repetition,
information
right?
retrieval will be 30%. But if you have spent 10 days waste, then imagine what will happen.
I think
It
you
is
are
just like
referring
that.
to is the phenomena that you are referring to is called as spaced repetition. That you give some time for that concept to settle in, then after some time you recall it. Oftentimes when people study, they just go through the content once, and that's why they forget. So you need to
Sir,
do
but
that repeatedly.
Sir, but whatever I am telling is for the one who is studying for the first time, not the
Yeah.
one for repeater, because the repeater will know all the concepts already. So it is no time to waste 10
Okay.
days or
Yeah,
20
yeah.
days.
So we are only focusing on the fresher people.
First time who is preparing the exam, that we are focusing on.
Okay, okay. So I'll ask this question also. Vishal, do you have something to add to this?
यस सर, मतलब सर, मतलब मेरा था, मतलब ऐसा है कि सर कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता। अगर सर अपन ने मतलब 1 या 2 दिन का भी गैप मतलब अगर आ गया अपने मतलब स्टडीज में, सर एक मोमेंटम सर जो रहता अपना वो ब्रेक हो जाता।
यस, यस, यस।
ये सर फिर मतलब जैसे कि अपन ने कुछ भी मतलब प्रॉब्लम आया तो अपन ने जैसे 2 या 4 दिन का गैप दे दिए, तो सर फिर से अपने को स्टडी करने के लिए सर मतलब अपना
That
मतलब हैबिट सर वो ब्रेक हो जाता है। तो सर
initiation
उसको
energy is more to start again.
यस,
So it's
यस,
better to keep going and then
यस सर,
take a
मतलब
break and
Self-guilt will also
yeah.
mix in our preparation then. Lack of consistency will mix the self-guilt.
यस सर।
Is it applicable to all? I think everything that you want to do or achieve. Yes, is this applicable to everything? Can this be extended for those things?
What's the
Like let's say someone is preparing for a company placement, campus placement. So how much does this consistency and those play role there?
No.
So
Sir, campus placement, I think
that is a
the strategy is different.
okay.
GATE is like one-time thing. If you have studied one time at the best, then it doesn't matter when you will give the exam.
So that is a different game altogether. I think more it is based on the that dynamics, the pressure and
but
those things.
For campus, the last month what you are studying is matter the most.
Okay, it matters. Yeah. Also, there was a follow-up question to this, like quantity versus quality. While studying, see, this is again a follow-up question of that. Some people say that I study 10 hours a day. Some even say that I study 16 hours a day. But the how much retention do they have, or s- is there someone, some special kind of being who can be even more efficient with the less quantity that he studies, with the better quality that he studies. The basic thing, the word that I'm getting at is interest. How much what role does
Yeah,
interest play in the productivity, basically?
yeah.
So how much?
Interest mixed in the study process, then it doesn't matter. It will not matter about the number of hours.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So there is one more follow-up question to this follow-up question. Is interest found or it can be created?
Sir, it can be created.
Both,
Hmm.
both.
Sir, I think it can be created.
It can be also created, and it is inertly found also. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when I describe this, I like to describe it as the somewhat like amplitude modulation. Like the baseline you have is the interest that you have inertly, naturally. You are always leaning towards a certain kind of thing. Some people like technical things. Some people don't like technical things. Yeah, but
Yes.
I also think that the overlay on that, or the superimposed wave, the other wave modulated on that wave,
Yes,
is has a larger effect than the inert or the inner interest is
yes, sir.
yeah.
The
Hmm.
Yes, sir. The interest. I think the interest have two components. One is the upbringing. Whatever upbringing we have, the
Yeah, yeah,
interest will mold into it, and
definitely.
that superimposable component that
Okay.
we do effort and then
So this interest can be created. What could be the reasons for this creation of interest?
yeah, very good question, sir.
Hmm.
The reason for this interest is initially we don't know about anything and we pre-assume that okay,
Exactly.
it is not that it is difficult and I think I will not do it, and but regardless of this, if you are doing it after some time after finishing of the course, then we can now see that okay, this was pretty interesting and
You find the joy while doing it, right?
Yes, sir.
yeah,
You find some certain things, like when you solve a problem, it gives you a small kind of joy, and then
Yes,
you
sir.
go on and solve another problem. You solve a different problem that is tougher than the two problems before, because you want to get into
yeah.
trouble.
Sir,
And
but the main
yeah,
reason, sir, something will get told is that pre-assumption.
yeah. So that's what I'm asking. Like, how can interest be created? Let's say there is one guy, okay, that he wants to like this, like he really wants to get into IIT. Let's say. So, what could be the motivating factors there?
Sir, the major, I will say the major motivating factor is himself because people will say something and it is upon us that to want to take that. For example, Holemba sir is saying that this is good.
Mm-hmm.
But if student covered the shield and saying that okay, whatever he's saying, I don't
Yeah,
care
he
and
might
all,
be
then
totally uninterested in what Holmes is saying. Yeah, I understand that.
yeah, he will
Or
ignore, just ignore.
yeah,
He
yeah,
will
he will
not
ignore.
only,
Yeah. Hmm.
yeah, he will not
Even
even
if
listen once
yeah, yeah,
and think once.
even if it is in his interest, in his
Yeah,
well-being, yeah, he will ignore. Yeah,
yeah.
I understand this. But what can be done to counter this? I'm asking that.
Sir,
Hello. Hmm.
to counter this, I don't know
to
you can
overcome
answer
this
this question,
basically. Yeah,
but sir,
this is a very personal fight, I can I can say. It is to be fought. It is each and everyone on their own. Yeah, I get
yes,
it. If you if and when you realize that you have to do something, something with your life yourself, then only you can go ahead and
yeah,
understand, like,
exactly, sir.
yeah, this advice is getting to me, or this person is good. At least he is coming and teaching us wholeheartedly. You get to see that sense once you make yourself understand that you need to do something, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. So I'd like to see rate following. Okay, you can rate in 1 to 10. This is a list of resources that people use to prepare for GATE. Okay, so first one is coaching.
pardon, sir.
This is a list. The following is the list that people use for preparing for GATE exam. Okay, so you have to rate it. You can say 1 to 10, both of you, and if you want, we can discuss on that each point also. So first one is coaching. Basically coaching classes.
1 to 10, I need to rate it.
Hmm.
Since I have taken the coaching,
Hmm.
so I will better position to rate it. Coaching, sir, 7 I will guess.
Yeah, be careful. There's going to be content ahead also.
Yeah, but the coaching should be very good. Otherwise, if you have
what
just
coaching would you
coaching,
what would you recommend? What brand would you recommend, basically?
okay. If the budget is low, then Ace Academy. If the
Okay.
budget is high, then Made Easy. None
Okay.
other than this.
None other than this.
But I have taken some other than this.
Uh-huh.
In that coaching, 50% data, whatever, it was just below average. So
Okay.
for
Substandard
me,
content.
yeah, very low standard, and 50% was good, but 50% was not good. So
Okay.
for me, for that coaching, I will say 1 on the 1 to
rating.
10 rate.
So the rating cannot be given to the coaching, the whole coaching business, right? It should be given to one
But
one
sir,
particular
without coaching
company.
also,
Yeah, we can do. We are coming.
be
Yeah,
one can do study.
definitely. We
For
are coming
example,
to that.
there is huge amount of NPTEL courses.
Yeah, we
But
are
sir,
coming to that.
without coaching, the one thing that is very important is that when you are starting, if you are starting in the second year, then you don't need any coaching.
Okay.
The YouTube is sufficient. Your self-study is sufficient. But if you have some hurry, you want to prepare in 6 months, 7 months,
So you need
then
to go
coaching
for
will
crash
help you.
course. Yeah. Vishal,
Yeah.
Vishal,
But
how much will you rate
Yes,
the
sir.
coaching?
Sir, I think I will give 8.
Okay.
सर यस सर सर मतलब मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था सर, मतलब मेरा कोई भी बेसिक नहीं था कोई भी सब्जेक्ट का.
हाँ.
मतलब
Did you go to coaching?
यस सर, मतलब मैंने जो यस सर, मतलब मैंने ऑनलाइन कोचिंग मतलब ज्वाइन किया था सर, जी सेंट्रिक का. मैं मतलब सर हम लोग को वहाँ पे एक फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है कि हम लोग मतलब पर सब्जेक्ट मतलब इंडिविजुअली पर सब्जेक्ट अपन परचेस कर सकते हैं वहां से.
ओके.
यस सर.
पिक एंड चूज. या नाइस.
यस सर, तो वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म सर बहुत अच्छा था. और मतलब सर मतलब मैं ऐसा कोचिंग को मतलब ये मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता सर कि ऑलमोस्ट सारे कोचिंग अच्छे रहते, क्योंकि उन लोग को मतलब अपने कोचिंग चलाना है तो सर मतलब सारे ऑलमोस्ट मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सभी कोचिंग का सर कंटेंट अच्छा रहता.
Compared to some other thing, I would say
Sir,
that they are good.
I have some
What is that other
contradictory
thing?
point.
Yes.
I have seen this GATE industry in coaching. So I will say not all coaching are very good, Vishal. There are only two good coaching in GATE so far.
See, I will also
all other coaching are doing just business, and half of their content is below average.
Yes. They're just doing.
For example, I have purchased GATE Academy coaching. They are they on their channel they do some propaganda that they are the best in the India.
Everyone
but I will say they are not best, they are last.
Okay.
And it is not something that
you have some personal problem with them, right?
No, not personal problem, sir. I am saying that 50% content is good, 50% content is below average.
So it is not
Actually, what
a full
happened?
course to be considered when a fresher goes for considering. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as far as my knowledge, sir, I have also done Ace Academy maths coaching. So Ace Academy and MedEasy is best.
Okay.
But if you have low budget, then Ace Academy is good. But if you are from second year student, then you do not need any coaching.
Okay.
Even if you do not have money, you do not need any coaching. All this coaching institute name, whatever I have disclosed, that is available freely on the internet.
Internet, yes, yes.
I will not disclose where it is available, but it is available on
You
internet.
need to search it. Yeah, you were not spoon feeding.
Yeah, you need to search it. And
so the next thing in the rating series is study material. Now this is this is different from coaching. So coaching, when I was talking
study
about
material,
it was,
sir, I will rate it 5.
this I am
Sir,
talking
I will,
about study material specifically prepared for clearing an exam, specifically directed towards that purpose. Yes.
the study material, I think it is fashion is over now.
Okay.
It's,
Okay.
yeah.
Vishal?
New fashion is video
Yes, sir.
course.
Yes sir.
Yeah,
yes
video,
sir, मतलब
video
मैं भी मतलब यस सर, मतलब
Because,
मैं भी
sir,
मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 5, क्योंकि सर मतलब मैंने कोई भी मतलब स्टडी मटेरियल यूज नहीं किया था। मैंने जो भी
even I
मतलब
have
सर
not used
पढ़ा।
anything.
Okay.
यस सर।
Okay. So the
यस सर,
next
मतलब
one is
मैंने हम लोग को यस सर।
So next one is,
But sir, it is useful. Actually,
yeah,
sir,
it is useful. See, why I
which point
asked
it is
this?
useful? If one have completed everything, we have deeply conceptualized everything. Then if you want to solve some extra questions, then study material is good. And if you want to read some theory, then study material is good. Study material categorized into two things. That is one question book, workbook, and one is theory book. Theory book is not good, but the question book, that is good.
So for practice, yeah.
Theory book is good for one or two subjects that we are getting in trouble.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
so the next point is that only the test series. How much would you rate this?
So 10.
Test series, sir, 10.
10.
And does brand matter here for the test series?
Yeah,
yes sir.
Definitely.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
The first brand is
can you make a tier list? What is the top brand?
First brand is MedEasy, second brand is Ace.
MedEasy.
Nothing else.
Okay.
Yes sir.
I think they take some 1500 or 1200, something like that, right? For the complete
yes
test.
sir. 1200.
Not that much.
Not that much.
Yeah.
Less. Okay. And also, I think it is a good thing that you start practicing the test series online, right?
Yes sir.
Because it gives,
yes,
solving on the book is very different than seeing a problem on the screen.
Actually, pressure will generate when we solve the problem.
Yeah, on the screen. Because see, I did not have this problem because
that is the main purpose.
Since when I remember, like since the school days, I had a screen. Like I had a computer, I had mobile, and those things. So I'm a more computer person than a paper person. So it is easier for me to read and solve problems, or read and understand a thing on a digital screen rather than a paper. So it is not the case with anyone I have ever met. So I think people need to prepare themselves to read on the screen also. It is I don't think that it is making sense, but it is a very different thing when you solve the paper on the screen. Yeah.
Yes,
so you
sir.
need to get some practice for that.
And sir, moreover, I want to add some points. There are topic-wise tests. That is, one subject is divided into two parts, and one that is topic-wise test. Then there is subject-wise test. Then there is full-length test. So the topic-wise test and subject-wise test,
focused preparation.
You should not focus on getting marks. You should more focus on where you are lagging. Are you lagging in some mistakes? Are you lagging in some concept? And note down all the concepts. But you should focus on the marks in the full length test. That is 3 hour test. That is we give it in last 2
So
months.
I
That
think
one.
the first test that you give are the topic test, and then there
Yes, sir.
you develop a feedback loop where you make mistakes. You get, let's say, 10 marks out of 20, or even 5 or 4 marks out of 20, but you keep that feedback loop going on. You learn some concepts, then you go for the
Yeah.
higher test, like full
The
test or those tests, and you try to score more there. Yeah.
the
Yes,
easiest
sir.
mistake that people made is, sir, they just leave the questions
Yes,
that
yes,
they
yes.
don't know how to
See,
answer.
see,
This is the
I,
blunder.
yeah, I would tell you a personal story about test series. I bought test series in the last year, like for 2020 exam. I bought it in 2019. Okay, December. I thought that, yeah, how many, some 52 tests are there, so I would do one test per day, or I calculated. See, preparing a schedule is, engineers are expert in preparing the schedule, but nowhere near expert in following them. So I just gave some like 3 to 4 tests, just control system, my favorite topic. So I gave only those tests, and I left the test series. So that 1000, I think it was 1200, and 1500 of gate exam. So those, I regret that I paid that much money to test series that I would never follow. So that is also a problem, like people buy it, but don't follow it. So do you think that money factor also
No, sir.
plays a role?
Falling
Yeah.
is not. I'm not saying that. I'm
Mhm.
saying that. So, for example, I have done the topic-wise test.
Huh.
There, I have done some mistakes, like 4 to 5 mistakes, and that
Okay.
are not that are
Yeah, yeah.
causing me trouble in my brain.
Yeah, yeah, I
So I
understand
just
that.
leave it.
Yeah, yeah.
I
You say
leave it.
that, yeah,
So if this
this
kind
is
of attitude is there in the mind,
uh,
then believe
no, no.
me, this exam is not for you.
So that feedback needs to
Yeah,
be good. You need to
yeah,
develop from that mistake. Otherwise, there is no point
yeah,
in making that mistake, right? You will keep on
yeah.
keep on making that mistake, same mistake again. So the next one in
Yeah.
the rating category is that all-in-one books. You know that there are some publishers that publish one single book for one engineering branch, which
Zero.
contain. Yeah. And next, Akash, Vishal, how much
Zero,
would you
sir.
rate?
Zero.
Zero, yeah. No, because it is only 500, 600, or a max 1000 rupees books, and people think that,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
they will get some rank with that much investment. Next one is the college
Sir,
courses. Hmm. Yeah, yeah,
that is
we are.
exceptional.
Hmm.
Some student can study from
Some
that
student
also
can
and get
that also.
good
Yeah, yeah.
marks,
But that
but
is an
that is
exception, not a
exception.
rule. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Next one is college courses. How much college courses are able to prepare you for the gate? Rate this and rate this carefully. Be caution. I'm giving you a caution. College
Sir, it
courses.
depends upon the quality of college courses.
Hmm.
If the quality
I
is
think.
very good, then I will
Uh,
rate it 9 more than the coaching institute, because the top 50 students
yeah, yeah.
are those who had once completed college courses very well and then did little coaching and then they
Uh-huh.
can shoot. Uh,
How much would
and
you
there are
rate
also some
our college
students
course,
who have
our
not done
department's
the
course?
coaching. Sir, there are also some
Hmm.
students who have not done the coaching but only the college courses, and they have very
Only
good score
relied
in
on
GATE.
their
So college
college
courses
courses
is
and.
important, but
Hmm.
the quality of college courses is more important. For
Yes, yes.
example, I will give example here
For
about
for
signal system course.
our department, how much
Yeah,
would you rate them?
sir, I will rate only signal system first.
Okay,
Signal system, sir, I will rate it 10.
10. Yeah, of
Godambe
course.
sir taught me signal system
Yeah,
in
yeah.
just 40 hours.
See, I would go ahead and say that the signal system is 10, and because of that, network theory is 10, and because of that, the control
Signal
system
system
is
and
also
network
10.
theory is 10, 10.
Yeah, yeah, and
Same
that's
problem.
what I'm saying. Like, because I learned signal system so systematically there,
Yeah,
I brought that perspective, that learning method in other subjects also.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
Uh, Yeah, Vishal, what about your syllabus? I think it is different. Your syllabus keeps changing per year. It gets improved. And like they're changing some, doing like a math course is added, some course is removed, some course is added.
Yes.
How much is it? Means आपको prepare करने के लिए कितना sufficient है वो? Just the syllabus I'm asking.
सर मतलब
Not the
सर जब भी मतलब
faculty level.
यस सर मतलब मुझे ऐसा मतलब लगता है कि सर मतलब मैंने जब भी सर कोई भी सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट किया है तो सर मतलब मैंने कॉलेज के पहले ही स्टार्ट किया है तो
Yeah.
मतलब सर
ठीक
जो
है।
भी सब्जेक्ट अगर यस सर मतलब
You
कॉलेज
are
के पहले
early
ही
in
मैंने
that.
सारे मतलब जो भी सब्जेक्ट हम लोग यस सर
Okay.
तो सर
So,
मतलब मेरे को मतलब एक बहुत अच्छा बेनिफिट यस सर मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा
हाँ।
बेनिफिट मिला है कि सर मतलब अभी मैं क्लास में बैठता था सर मेरे को मतलब सारे के पॉइंट्स मतलब मेरा रिवीजन बहुत अच्छे से होता था सर वहाँ पे क्लास में
तो
एक मतलब मेरे को वो बहुत अच्छा
can I ask you this, like, were you bored in the class, or was it even more interesting that knew the concepts that others did not know? मतलब वो ज्यादा
यस सर
इंटरेस्टिंग
मतलब
है या
सर
बोरिंग है?
सर ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है मतलब सर डिपेंड करता फैकल्टीज पे मतलब कभी कभी
या
मतलब मोस्टली सर क्योंकि इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि सर आप लोग को मतलब मुझे सर उस टाइम पे सर वो सब आता था और
हाँ,
मतलब सर वही पढ़ाने वाले रहते थे और
क्योंकि
सर मेरे मतलब कुछ ऐसे जो डाउट्स रहते थे
हम्म,
कि जो मतलब मेरे उस टाइम पे क्लियर नहीं हुए थे पहले तो सर मतलब और अच्छे से क्लियर
हाँ,
होते थे सर
in
क्लास में
class you can discuss some higher level stuff with the faculty. Yeah, this is also a
यस सर
good thing. Yeah. So that also it depends on faculty and those things. But I think that coming from these two branches, electrical instrumentation, we are based more on the problem solving nature. Like
यस सर
theory part is not there. It is more based on problem solving. And once you know how to solve one problem, that lecture, even if you have solved that problem 100 times before, it becomes automatically interesting. That's
यस
what I
सर
feel.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir, if the Ashutkar sir and Holambe sir like teacher were there for all courses, then I will rate college courses 10.
Yeah. This is,
यस सर आई
Nothing
विल
else required.
but
But
see,
due
what I say that
to the fact,
it is
I will
content
rate
delivery.
it 8
Hmm.
because that two subjects are very main subjects
Yeah.
connected to all other 4 subjects
Yeah.
and
Yes.
5 subjects. So actually it went to 8.
Also, coming back to that question, can interest be created? Now I think that interest creation can happen in the college courses. Yes.
Sir, interest creation is totally depend upon us. For example, मुझे
But because
बनाना है
see,
कि नहीं इंटरेस्ट ये भी
no,
होना चाहिए ना.
what I'm asking is that exposure thing, that you are exposed to those concepts, like there are circuits, you can solve them, you can actually solve some things. That exposure
Sir,
you
whatever
get in
you
the
are
classroom.
telling is applicable for those who want to do
Do
something,
something. Yeah.
those who have
यस सर
ambition.
Yeah.
But those
I
who do
get
not
it.
have ambition,
Ambition. Yeah.
this is not applicable to those.
Okay. So,
For example,
a very very simple minded question. If I give you 100 MCD
someone who
problems,
have
like
ambition
modern
but
control theory.
is not interested in that course, in that person
Yeah.
the interest can develop. But other system, other
You.
person who is like stone, the interest cannot be developed.
Yes.
Or he
घोड़े
have
को पानी तक ले जा सकते हैं,
with
पीना है नहीं पीना
with
है उसकी
with
मर्जी. Yes.
या पानी को घोड़े तक नहीं ले जा सकते बट कभी ना कभी घोड़ा पानी तक चले जाएगा वो. इट इज द मैटर ऑफ टाइम. सेल्फ
Yeah.
रियलाइजेशन स्टोरीज आर देयर इन इंडिया. सो
Yes.
it
Yes.
is
Yes. It is very unfortunate, but it is the sense that it is the way that things work. Yeah. So the next thing in rating is free stuff on internet. Now this is your favorite category. Like we discussed these things like
10
college courses and these things.
यस
But
with the
how
proper
much?
guidance of
Uh,
senior.
uh,
The rating is 10.
10.
Nothing else
Okay.
will require. Even 11 I will rate it more than 10.
See, if it is the right free stuff, then it is 10.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, actually I will start with the story.
Yeah. Sure.
In the college courses I had studied from NPTEL courses.
NPTEL
But there
courses
was
also.
but there was no one to tell me to
Which
where to
courses to
stop,
select?
where to
Yeah.
start. For example, in EDC, our EDC is little different. There is not something like electronic EDC. It is different. It is very deep. But for that EDC, I was not able to understand that EDC. So I started watching the course of EDC on NPTEL. So she was Chitralekha ma'am. So she started the EDC of electronics. But I was not knowing because someone haven't told me that it is also there in the syllabus. So I also studied that. Then I also studied EDC, solid state drive, uncontrollable horse. One will become uncontrollable horse if proper guidance is not there. He will study, he will get exposure, he will get knowledge because he is studying.
It will not be will not be directed.
But it is not the very efficient way to start.
Okay.
Very efficient technique.
See, because I see this kind of problem I see in electronic students, because they are very much highly interested in stuff like electron and space technology or nanotechnology or
no sir, not in electronic. It is
general
a
problem for engineers. I think they come from a perspective that they would design some things and it is good, but they are overexcited about it. They don't understand that you need to you need to work your way up there. Like you need to some study. You need to solve some electronics problem, EDC problem. Then you need to do some K-map problems. Then you can go for the space thing. Yeah. So the interest that thing is
here. It is the requirement of senior. If you have very good senior support, then senior will tell you this thing because he encountered such mistakes. For example, I encountered such mistakes. So for my junior, I will tell him all the things.
Yes. So this free stuff on internet, I think it is ample, and most of the things that we considered above are all available as free. Yeah. And even if it is illegal, see, I don't call it illegal because it is knowledge, and someone has compiled it does not make that it his knowledge, right? It is knowledge, but it is pretty much available.
Yes sir, exactly. If there is Morrison gain formula, so he have the rights of that formula, not a teacher have the rights of that formula.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, he may have written some things that makes it easier to understand. That is his content, that is his IP. But it is available freely somewhere else. I think most of the concepts are explained on Wikipedia. My go-to web page is Wikipedia for the formulas and those things. Like Vishal knows that I always don't remember the Laplace things, so I go and search them on the internet, and it is pretty much.
But I will say, whatever we have discussed about all the courses, it is available there. You need to search it. We will not tell you where it is, but it is there.
So
need not, you go if you do not have money, then also you can study. Don't worry. And you can study like the one who have all the money. But you need to search.
There is also one thing about this, the gym thing, like gym membership thing. People,
if you are dumb in searching also, then what will do? Otherwise, you can ask your seniors. This is also option if you don't know how to search.
See, what I'm trying to get at is, see, there is a concept called gym membership. You pay some money so that you work there. Yeah, see, this is a different kind of motivation. The money that you paid works as a motivation for you. So I'd say that if you pay 50,000 in the in-person coaching, let's say you go to Hyderabad, Pune, or Delhi somewhere, and you have that extra motivation that you have paid some money, and now you are in that zone. You are not distracted by your friends that don't want to do anything in life, and you are in that zone. So I think in that sense, those 50,000 rupees are worth it. Am I in somewhat sense right?
Yes, sir. Actually, if even if you have money, then invest it in education, whatever the course it is worth to buy. But if you don't have money for that thing,
I'm giving this
Okay.
others
For absolute poor people, not the people who don't want to spend. Yeah, I understand. See, yeah, I totally understand. Yeah. So the next thing in that is Telegram or WhatsApp groups. This is a newer thing. Earlier it were Facebook pages. We had Facebook pages. We posted doubts there. Someone solved it. I used to do that since 2012, even before I appeared for GATE exams, because we were studying signal systems, and we liked problem solving basically. So how much role do they play, and how much would you rate them?
Sir, I think according to me, it is 10.
Yeah, 10. Prathamesh?
Sir, in doubt solving group,
yes, sir.
I will rate it 9.
9, okay.
Because it is one of the fundamental thing to crack this exam, to clear your doubts.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And because if you not use it as a if you have used it as a time pass weapon, then no use. But if you have a very good group of very good people, for example, your partner also study very good, you are also studying very good, then it is good. Because the doubt will convert into discussion and many things will solve.
Not the local groups or any coaching class group. I'm asking about the national level group. Like there is very much shit posting also there. Like anyone posts like the GATE ka result
no, sir, national group I will rate it 4, but the personal groups or some coaching groups, in that coaching groups you will see that there are some students who are replying always. So just chat with them and make friends. And then make personal groups. This is the best approach. Also, I will not say national level group. National level group will contribute to
it is too much shit posting. Like
it is
just like any other social
average
media.
student to make them entertain.
Yeah.
About doubt.
Also, there is one thing, like how much time do you waste on this group? I'm saying waste because see, solving others' doubt may give you some added advantage. Yeah, it revises some concept of you, but there should be a limit, right? Yeah, you are doing some good work. You are putting your time, but you need to study yourself too. So how much? Yeah, should there be a limit, top limit there?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
At this level, I think we are enough mature to how to invest our time where.
Yeah.
So
no, see, why I'm asking is that see, oftentimes it happens that the doubts are from very basic things, and when you are at a level that you can solve others' doubt, you don't want to stay at a very basic level. You want to go ahead. You want to go into the deep nuances of the subjects. Yes, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I can get it, sir. Sir, I will comment on this in such a way. The difficult question, the question after seeing it, if you are not able to understand it, then you need to solve it.
Okay, yeah. Only the questions that you find interesting, that you find troublesome.
But you have the gut feeling that okay, I will get the answer. So such kind of question you will solve 100%. And some other question that is very, very basic that someone else also can solve, that you can leave. Or if you have time, for example, this type of thing one should do after in recess time. So in this time you can give voice solution, or
I remember one thing. Yeah, I remember also one thing from this, like which question to leave is also a skill in exam.
It is art.
Yeah.
Yes.
and
it will decide the score.
See, it is not that much trouble in GATE exam because there is ample time, and 65 questions is not that much, in my opinion. At least you can read them. Other exams, other competitive exams, you cannot even read all the questions. Answering them is another question, but you cannot even read them. So which question to choose to answer?
Sir,
that is also one
if
thing.
the professor have designed the question in very beautiful way,
then we cannot predict it. We
Yes,
will
yes.
see that it is easy, but we
Yeah.
had just made a blunder.
Yeah, yeah.
It can also happen.
Some
So
5% trick questions
risky.
throw off your whole paper. Yeah, I understand that. It could be happening. Yes. So out of this, see, the rating series we did for coaching, study material, test series, all-in-one books, college courses, free stuff on internet, and groups basically. So out of this, I'll just summarize this. Coaching is good as long as it is from the good branding. Second one is study material. It has like very less value. If you are going coaching, then you get the study material, but you may refer to some standard books to get the concepts initially. While studying the concepts, like let's say in your engineering, you should refer to the standard books. Then the next one is test series. You should definitely go for this test series, and most people recommend that you go for 2 test series. If you can, if you have time, you can go for
Yes.
2 test series. But it is very important that you should go and use that feedback. Like you have made some mistake, you learn some concepts, and then you get back to the next test. That is very important. Not just giving the test is not at all important. Next one is all-in-one books. They are worthless. You may even skip them. Next one is college courses. College courses are good as long as you are in good college, but they are designed, their syllabus, if you consider them, if you compare the syllabus side by side, they are pretty much based on GATE exam, because the source for both of them is common, we can say. For all engineering, there is a standard syllabus, or it flows down from one institute or other. Some may follow IIT Bombay syllabus. Like let's say COEP follows IIT Bombay, we follow COEP, something like that. So it happens that way. So the courses, syllabus wise, they are good, but content delivery, it may be to your liking. It is very subjective. The next thing is free stuff on internet. It is all the things are available on internet, but there is an analysis paralysis there. You don't find the contents. It is not compiled in one place. Like it is not presented to you on a platter. You need to search it, and you will lose a lot of time here. So it is suggested that you
But sir,
use
with
some
proper senior guidance,
Yeah.
you can do it in
Yeah.
seconds.
So I'm saying that
Because
you should stick to one senior. You should
yeah,
ask him
but a
incessantly,
good
like,
senior.
what is the material? A good means the good I'm considering is as helping, and he has achieved something.
Yeah.
These two things could be the measure of his goodness. And you should join some Telegram, WhatsApp groups. They are better than your other groups, of course.
I will say you should join Telegram WhatsApp group, and in that group, just see those person who are very intelligent. You will
Yeah,
get to
you can
know
ask
in
them.
10
You
days
can,
and
yeah.
try to friend them.
Yeah, befriend them. Yes.
Yeah. And
I
have done the same.
found that. See,
I have so many friends that are from different parts of India, and
Yeah.
they are very good. They scored
Also,
very
I
good.
would say that, Prathamesh, now you are going to get to interviews and those things. You would find those faces there also, and you will that joy is very different. Like you belong to a group,
Yeah.
you belong to a community where
Sir,
you help each
I want
other.
to.
And yes, yes,
Sir, I
sure,
want to say
you can.
something. One should not take GATE as an exam, just an exam. It is not exam, it is a war. Because there are so many parameters depending in this exam. It is a life lesson, you can say. There we have planning, there we have strategy,
Yes.
there
So,
we have failing
the
our strategy, failing
GATE
our
exam
plan.
is not 3 hour exam, right? It is 1 year
Yeah.
exam, or even
Yeah.
4 year exam.
Yeah, it can also give very big life lessons also.
Yes. I would say that it is true for any other competitive exams also.
Yeah,
But
not
since we,
really,
yeah,
but yes,
yeah,
the one big competitive exam like JEE, GATE, UPSC, these exams are life learning exams,
life teaching
not
exam.
banking exam and all, not that exam.
Yeah. Yeah, in a degree or two, yeah, they could be. Yeah, but I understand that you are coming from a technical
And sir,
point of view.
once you have done the gate, then similar exam, any exam you can crack within
Oh,
just more than 10
also
days
this
or
question.
just 1 month.
The
This question.
what see this is what I'm asking about. What avenues after gate? What are the avenues after gate? See, once you prepare for a gate exam, what are the sister exams or branching exams from the gate that you can
Okay.
give?
ESE exam, engineering service exam.
Okay.
We can give
UPSC conducts
engineering
it, right?
service. Yeah, UPSC conducted. And UPSC exam also we can give as an electrical option or mechanical, civil, electrical. This as
Civil
option.
services exam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, even electrical ARI one this year is a UPSC aspirant. He had given interview with B Singh, that is in Medidi studio, and he said that he want to be a UPSC. He want to clear UPSC, and he is only doing UPSC, but electrical was optional. That's why he gave it. And this is the advantage. The
Yes.
teaching said.
Yes. What about the AFCAT, then BRNS, DRDO, ISRO exams? Yes. They are people are very aspirational about going there.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It is just similar like GATE, but you need to get through the user interface. For example, in ISRO, you have to solve 90 questions in 90 minutes like that. So you need to work upon that thing. But other things.
But the pool that you need to study
same.
from, the syllabus is concurrent, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, there is one problem for us, the instrumentation engineers, that we don't have anything to go anywhere. Like, we either need to go apply through electrical or electronics.
Yeah.
So that also should consider as an advice. Like, if you are going to go for competitive exams, technical competitive exams, it is better that you go for electrical branch than instrumentation. Yes. Okay. So it was very heavy discussion. One more heavy question, like the question that we asked in the beginning. In what condition one should stay away from gate?
Okay. In that stone condition, one should get away from gate, or in
stone condition.
Yeah, stone condition. If you can feel it, then you are on the right track. I don't want to give examples.
But that is, I'm asking about the conscious decision. Stone people don't take conscious decision. They don't take decision at all.
Like मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं है. So this is तो ये इन्होंने नहीं करनी चाहिए गेट. और दूसरा ये है कि if you have a different life goal, for example, you want to go in MBA, you can study CAT.
If you want to make money, then don't do GATE for that way. Yeah.
No.
The money and GATE also. Yeah.
Sir, you can make money through GATE.
Yeah. Yeah.
But there will be requirement of some time investment.
Yeah. See, I think
GATE. I will re-answer this question. For example, there are 3,000 hours required to study GATE, 1,000 hour material, and half
exams.
Double time will go into writing it and then revising it. But in these 3,000 hours, if you invested in some computer science, even if you are from instrumentation or something, then you can make money like anything.
Yes.
Yeah, this point I will say.
So the time investment. Yes.
But sir, there is something like my branch is electrical, so I am doing this work. So some people get offended. So that people they can do GATE. GATE also for electronics, electrical, and instrumentation, and there are some good branches in MTech PG. So if they do, but there will require some investment of study.
I think there are two parts. Like, if you want to make money very early, you learn a skill, you practice that skill, you try to make money from that skill, and you go on and do that job. Like anything, it could be anything: photography, writing, or any art job. or anything. Okay, music, even music, if you can make that, or websites if you want to make websites. But if you want to learn more and earn more, then you can go with the GATE path. Like, you learn better, you go to a better place for higher education, you get more opportunities than you get in campus placement. Here you get there more, you are exposed to like what should I say? I shouldn't say better, but you are exposed to more opportunities, a wide spectrum of opportunities, and then you can think, like, at that point, if you have not thought about it, let's say that you have not thought about, like, what would I be doing 10 years later after I graduated, but you can do that later after getting into that college, the degree college, the graduate college, post PG. Okay, so that I think also is one way to
And sir, I
think
will
about this
say
exam.
that corporate politics is more into just after BTech job, and it is less
Okay,
into this thing.
R&D. But how would you know? Like, see, well, yeah, it is our perception that this would be
Yeah.
that. But how would you know without getting into that?
Based upon
Hmm.
seeing
Seniors, of course. Yeah,
I,
web series. Yeah. So let's get to a lighter part. Maybe this was too heavy stuff. Let's get to a lighter part. Vishal, you still with us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because, see, Prathamesh and I are already like on friendly terms. We talk a lot. So coming to this fun part, what is your most viewed YouTube channel for information and entertainment only? Don't tell any, like, flashy channels, but what are some of the channels that you go to get your information or your curiosity satisfied?
Sir, Gate Academy and Creatrix.
What? Get Academy and
Sir, Gate Creatrix.
Creatrix. What does that channel
Yes.
offer? क्या होता है उसमें?
सर गेट कंटेंट ओनली.
Okay, get
सर
content.
गेट का कंटेंट है सर उसमें, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट. और फिर सर
And
कोई
for
एग्जाम वगैरह का रिलेटेड सर.
yeah, for entertainment, what do you watch on YouTube? Because I'm sure that YouTube is like 80% people are on YouTube, but
Yes, sir.
yeah, what do you do for entertainment on YouTube?
Sir, I generally used to watch the sub TV programs only.
Okay, yeah. Prathamesh?
Yes, sir.
sir, I watch Tarak Mehta
Yeah.
and that TV Filter Coffee and some good pro
Web-
level channels like Be
Web
Unique.
content. Okay.
And
So what
for
are,
educational entertainment and motivation, I watch some channels, for example, Number File, Zackstar, and that VE.
Zackstar, what is that? Zackstar? What does it do?
Zackstar is similar like VE. VE, sir, you know that VE. Full
We
form,
Veritasium, yeah.
Yeah.
He
that
makes
one.
good content, yeah.
Yeah, 3 blue, 1 brown, this Khan Academy. These
He's
are
doing
some
some math.
educational.
Yeah. Education based, but kind of entertainment or
motivated.
reaching
Engineering,
to
what is the channel? Learn Engineering and
learn engineering. Yes, I know this also.
yeah.
They are reaching to larger masses, that those who are not even technical people, they are trying to bring them in, like that.
And for quality study, NPTEL,
Best.
MIT courses, and that AD courses.
What MIT course would you recommend? The top MIT course. One course that.
Sir, for electrical student, I will recommend Walter Lewin
Walter
course
Lewin's
on
physics. Yeah.
Yeah, physics course. It is on his channel.
It is on MIT OCW also.
No, actually, it is on Walter Lewin channel.
Okay, Walter Lewin's channel. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So that is a good thing. Yeah, Walter Lewin is a good guy, physics guy. So he's good. Also, see, when I ask what is the best course in the world that you would recommend to other? I always say Oppenheim's signal system.
Oppenheim's book is like it is
Yeah,
like
it is very
matlab-
thick. I understand that it is very thick and nobody
no
understands. Uh,
It is the one book in engineering
yeah,
that I remember that I was reading it, and that urge of reading it
it
more
is like
was
a
more
novel.
than
Yeah,
reading it.
it is like a novel. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
But it is very thick
There are
content.
very few
But
books in engineering for like Oppenheim. That
like
is
Oppenheim.
Van Valkenburg for network
Yeah, Van
theory
Valkenburg
and
also,
Oppenheim
and
for signal system and
I think
DSP.
this also the Niemann or Millman. I don't remember the exact name, but the electronic circuits from
Yes, sir. For
And
analog.
sir,
analog. Yeah,
that microcontroller, that
Masjid.
Masjidi is also
Yeah,
like that.
it is mediocre in my opinion. But
There
yeah,
are some very
it
good
is also
books in
good book.
engineering.
Yes, yes. And I think the most the good books are from the computer thing, like artificial neural network. One thing you may have not touched that topic, but those are also good books. Artificial neural network by Zorada, and there is one more thing, the digital electronics by Maurice Mano. He's also a good guy. That book flows so smooth that you would read it cover to cover like a novel
Yeah, it is good.
without realizing that you are reading an engineering textbook.
But from instrumentation engineering, I will say Oppenheim is the number one book.
Yeah,
Winner,
Oppenheim.
winner
See,
of the show.
Oppenheim, I will recommend to electronics, electrical, instrumentation, computer, IT, these branches. Anyone can means refer. At least you would know that what is quality engineering, and means what stuff
Yes.
do they teach at MIT. What kind of professors are
Yeah, yeah,
teaching
yeah.
at MIT. But just to understand that
There are
concept, like what is the
three
higher level.
exercises in Oppenheim. In
Yeah.
every chapter, there are three exercises. The
Yes.
first exercise is above the gate level.
The
Second
first 20
exercise
problems. Yes.
and third exercise. Imagine.
Yes. That's why I tell that that's why you should go for watching those lectures. So also there is books also done. So what do you do in free time, Vishal? Can you answer this?
यस सर, यस सर, मतलब मेरा मोस्टली टाइम सर वो सर जिम में, सर फ्री टाइम में, या फिर सर कुछ मतलब वो सर वो स्टफ बोलते हैं ना उसको, जिस लाठी। यस सर, मतलब मेरा फ्री टाइम में सर
बो स्टाफ। यस
वो स्टफ, हाँ यस सर।
नाइस।
यस सर, तो सर उसके सर न्यू सर कुछ मूव्स वगैरह सीखने में सर, मतलब मोस्टली सर मेरे को
So
बहुत ज्यादा वो पसंद है।
do you do that the Western thing or the Deshi thing, like the
सर देसी थी।
Deshi thing? I don't remember that some things are called as Pavitra and Siddhi Mar Ulti Hath,
यस सर, यस
something
सर, यस सर,
something of that kind. But yeah,
यस सर, वो उल्टी 180 सीधी 180।
हाँ,
यस सर, यस सर,
something like that. But it is good. Yeah. Where do
यस
you do that? Do you do that in your home?
यस सर, एट होम।
It is very dangerous because people always see, people at my home always say that don't do something with lati, and yeah, they fear that I
यस
might
सर,
break something.
सर हम लोग कॉलेज में थे सर, हम मतलब मैं मलखम करता था कॉलेज में।
Okay,
तो सर
okay.
वहां पे भैया थे, यस सर, उन्होंने मतलब बहुत सारे मूव्स वगैरह सिखाए थे वो
हाँ,
लाठी के। और सर वो मलखम में भी सर, मतलब सर कॉलेज में जब भी हम लोग रहते थे, हम लोग की रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस रहती थी, मतलब शाम
okay,
को
okay.
सर, मतलब हाँ
There is
मतलब
one channel, or I think one video series there called as Bo Kata, Bokata. Just this Bo space Kata. I
यस सर,
think one Chinese guy is doing some crazy stuff with that. But if you watch
यस
that, you would understand like what the level that people go
यस सर, यस सर,
with that. Like it is kind of meditation. Just seeing him do the stuff that he's doing. It is good. It is good
यस
that you do. Prathamesh, what do you do in your free time? Also,
I
what is,
watch digital content.
yeah, and what? Yeah, I was getting at that
So my
point.
philosophy is like that.
Hmm.
From anything you can get something, some learning. So
Hmm.
even if I watch movie, I take some learning from that.
This should be the
And
attitude in general.
yeah,
Yeah. Hmm. what is it in what is there in it for me? This should be your attitude. It looks like very
Yeah.
selfish attitude, but yeah, you should
No,
be
sir.
always
Because
conscious about what you are
if
consuming,
if
what you
this
are
is
doing.
not the attitude, then what will happen? I will say that I wasted 3 hours.
Yes.
But instead that I will say I have learned something, some life
Hmm.
learning. Then it is good.
Yeah, it is good. So what do you do on YouTube, and why do you do that? Uh,
Sir,
Expanding
YouTube.
that. Hmm.
I watch.
Vishal, that I would like to tell you that Prathamesh has a YouTube channel. He
Yes.
has some how many subscribers? Over 100, I think.
204.
So he has 204 subscribers. It is he posts some. I visited once. He posts some study with me streams and some stuffs like
Sir,
explaining concepts and
actually
that.
Yes.
my goal is to become YouTuber only.
Hmm.
I will take admission in IIT and then
Hmm.
start a long YouTube channel
I would I,
and
I
give
would
some
suggest
premier
you
content like that VE and
Veritasium.
3 Blue 1 Brown, that content, and build that
Ah,
channel
that
and
kind.
then do some freelancing, and this is the
Yeah,
main plan
yeah.
because in India there is no one
See,
like them.
wherever I look, I see content. And this is the way. In India, it is a very large vacuum of good content, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah,
But on YouTube, see, it is basically, it looks like a wastage of time for a lot of people. That also I was doing that. I was uploading some game streams and those things. It looks kind of waste of time, but it is not so. Like there is a quote by I don't remember John Lennon or Paul McCartney, that the time you enjoyed wasting is not wasted. So if you enjoy
yeah,
something from it, you learn some skills. Like video editing is a skill, you learn from it. It may not be a paying skill right now, but it would be. It has potential to be a paying skill. But you also
yeah,
understand some things like customer satisfaction or just
yeah,
general content creation. I think creativity is in a way a good thing to be wasting time in. Basically, you might ask even some sketcher, what do you do about these sketches? ये करके क्या होगा, ये सब चित्र निकाल के क्या होगा, क्या उखाड़ लिया? But he
yeah.
gets he gets some joy from it. It is not like that he has created it and it is a value addition to something, but it
Sir,
is a
actually,
value addition to himself
YouTube and
also.
things is like exponential thing.
Okay.
Initially, it look like nothing, but if
Yes.
it gets settled, then it will lead to exponential growth.
Mhm. Yes. Also, I would think that most of the things that you apply in YouTube are scalable everywhere. Like there is consistency, there is deliverable, that you stick
Yeah, yeah,
to some consistency. Like you have some scheduler, if you have that those things. And I think the reason behind you doing the study with me is that you are accountable. The amount of accountability that you feel shoots up. If someone is there, you might have
yeah. Yes,
zero
sir.
views
I have
even, but
started that study with me because my whole syllabus was over, and
uh,
now because if there is nothing to do for me, then I do time pass.
okay, yeah. So
So I just started that to overcome that thing, and it went successful.
yes, I would also say that it is better that you do something rather than do nothing. That if somebody
Yeah,
asks like what did you do in summer holiday, you have no answer. Like I went nowhere. I don't have hobbies. I just study. It is not a good answer, or it is not a good thing that you should have. I, for one, read books. I have started reading books very recently, 4 years ago. I read books, watch movies, watch series, but those are not my hobbies. My hobbies come from a creative point of view. But see, that's the thing. Like you should do something that will make you a little bit happier.
Yes,
Then, even if it takes some time, like it takes 15 minutes or 1 hour or even 3-4 hours, if going to the gym, making a better physique is your thing, like even if you spend 4 hours in that, it is a good thing that you get joy out of it. That is the thing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So one final question: what advice would you give to your younger sibling if he or she asks you about GATE, engineering, or general career advice? You may take some time to think this and answer.
Sir, I will
Yes, sir.
say,
Prathamesh?
sir, the only thing
Prathamesh, I
creativity,
think your voice is
your
breaking.
attitude.
Prathamesh.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. Now start
Okay.
again.
I will say, sir, if someone asks me something about engineering, what should they do? Should they do engineering? So I will answer, if they do not have to do anything in particular, then I will answer, do engineering. It have infinite amount of scope.
Yeah.
The only
Still,
thing
still
that is
you would say,
matter is
even
you.
after this time, even after all the memes, you would say that do engineering, it has scope. Yeah. But it has. What can you say? Yeah.
Definitely, sir. But if you do study like a MBBS student in engineering, then believe me,
Yes.
you will not less
Yes, you are
than Bill
very,
Gates.
very much narrowed
But
down.
if you do
Yes.
nothing in engineering, but if you have done
Yes.
nothing, then you are nothing.
You are there where you are. It means even if you are in engineering, pharmacy, or anywhere else, if you are stone, you would remain stone. Yes.
Yeah. No, sir. Actually, what I want to say, in MBBS, without opening the book, student cannot pass. But in
Yes.
engineering, it is
It,
happening
it
in the
can be.
country.
Yeah.
Uh, but
Let's not get into that. Yeah.
fortunately, in MBBS, it is not happening. But the amount of study MBBS student do, if this amount of study engineering student do in a good way, then they can do anything.
Yes.
I will say this.
Yes.
But they are doing 4 years in 1 year study.
Yeah.
3 year time pass, 1 year
They are
study.
like superhuman. I also feel very much twice respect for my doctor friends than my engineer friends.
Yeah.
So, what advice would you give, Vishal, to your younger sibling? Like, see, the basic theme of this whole thing that we are doing was that from your answers only, that seniors are important, and I did not have seniors. So I am giving you an opportunity that you can give something to your juniors or your classmates, maybe someone who needs to listen to this, right? So, what advice would you give?
यस सर, मतलब अगर सर मतलब किसी को अगर आइडिया नहीं है सर, मतलब कि अगर लाइफ में आगे मतलब क्या करना है, तो
Hmm.
मतलब सर वो एक तो इंजीनियरिंग मतलब फील्ड चूज कर सकता है। और सर अगर उसके बाद भी अगर उसको मतलब कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मतलब मुझे क्या करना है, तो मेरा ऐसा मतलब एक सजेशन है कि अगर मतलब उसमें पोटेंशियल है या फिर एबिलिटी है मतलब कुछ मतलब पढ़ने की या फिर मतलब
करने
तो
की।
सर मैं ऐसा, यस सर, तो मैं ऐसा सजेस्ट करूंगा सर, मतलब गेट मतलब एक अच्छा खासा मतलब वे है उसके लिए, क्योंकि
ओके।
सर मतलब गेट का स्टडी करके मतलब एक तो उसका एकेडमिक्स भी अच्छा खासा हो जाता, और मतलब कैंपस प्लेसमेंट भी क्लियर हो जाते हैं अच्छे से, और सर मतलब गेट के बाद सर बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिलते हैं। तो सर अगर
ओके।
मतलब किसी को अगर कोई प्लान नहीं है कि मतलब आगे क्या करना है, मतलब अपन ने एडमिशन तो ले लिए, तो सर मतलब एक ये
यस
बेस्ट है
यस
कि
यस।
मतलब वो, यस सर, कि मतलब गेट का स्टडी करने के बाद सर वो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट दूसरे कोई भी पीएसयू के एग्जाम्स या फिर मतलब कोई भी एग्जाम्स के लिए मतलब सर वो रेडी रहेगा कि मतलब कोई भी एग्जाम्स को मतलब फेस कर सकते करके।
ओके। तो
Sir, on the big picture perspective, if you see, whatever we are discussing only valid for India, and
yes.
moreover,
I'm
everywhere
see, I'm
in
going
every
even
top
more
field there
local.
is engineer.
Not even India. See, we are trying. See, I invited you to not AR1 in instrumentation and AR1 in electrical, because you are more accessible to students of Nanded or students of
Yeah.
AGGS. Or see, this thing is very underrated, that you don't need advice from AR1, but the advice that you get from your friend, let's say who has barely qualified that thing, your senior, or the one who knows your background, like he knows what you learn in the Nanded's coaching classes in 11th and 12th. He knows better that you can do GET or you cannot do GET, something of that sort. So he is more connected to you or more accessible to you. You can ask him at 10 p.m. also, like, Bhaiya, what to read,
Yes.
what is this, or I'm I'm feeling that this network theory is very boring, what should I do? Yeah, then Bhaiya will beat some sense into you, right? Like, network theory is most important subject, you should do it. Even if you cry, you should do it. So that thing comes from the more accessible person. That's why I'm giving you that.
सर इंजीनियरिंग की बात चल रही थी तो इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में बोलना था कि एक्चुअली इन एनी फील्ड at the top we can say good engineer doing good work in that field, but actually most of the time what people assume is that he don't want to do engineering, he want to do something in that field,
something else.
So he did, but engineering contributed him to do that. Means even if he says that
Yes, I understand.
it was waste of my time, but it was not waste of his time, his abilities improved, and so he can do well. It can apply in UPSC also. 60 to 70% are only engineers.
Yes. See, this was I came from a different perspective there. Like, see, I watched 3 Idiots when I was in, I think, 10th or 11th. Yeah, 11th, I think. 3 Idiots is 2009, right? So I watched that, and that some things leave you quite a big sense in your life. Like, he says that he has done engineering and MBA, then he's doing banking. He's Gada, right? So that thing remained with me, and I also thought that people do engineering, waste 50,000, 60,000. Then that was the fees, or 1 lakh, let's say 1 lakh per year, or 5 lakhs total. They waste this money in doing engineering. Better that they do the thing that their passion lies in, right? Let's say someone has a skill, inner skill, or he is born with the skill of writer. He liked writing something, okay, in 10th, 12th, but he is doing engineering. Rather that he would do arts, I was of that thinking, but now I think opposite of that. Like, you get more exposure in engineering college than you would be in an arts college.
Abilities will improve.
Also, this makes sense. This makes sense in comparing COEP with HGGS also. If you are in COEP, see, more people see, they are best of the best. Here also, I would not say best of the best, but they are better than the most. When you come to such places, then you have, see, that exploration is on higher level. Like, if you stay in let's say your hometown, you do engineering from the local college, you do not get exposed that much. But if you go to the nearby good college, good government college, or you go to IIT, then let's say the outside thing, the more like, the bigger you get, bigger places you get, the bigger opportunities or bigger exposure you would get, and that has some value. So it is always better to consider engineering rather than going anything. But yeah, it is very personal preferences. If someone wants to do something, like, let's say some commerce people are there, like, I want to do it, I want to be a CA, or I want to be a MBA or a business administrator and something. So they should look into that only, because they have something sorted. If you have nothing sorted, then you may choose what everyone else is doing, because that is a safe choice. Safe choice is not a bad choice. Yes
sir.
Yeah. So we want to add some random thing, or should we can it? Yes. Nothing. Okay. Yeah, Vishal, do you have something to say? Something else to say? Some point that you would like to add into the earlier discussion.
यस मतलब सर मतलब मेरे को ये बोलने का था कि मतलब सर जो प्रिपरेशन में सर स्टार्टिंग में जब मिस्टेक्स करते हैं सर वो अगर मतलब थोड़ा सा काम कर लिए या फिर अगर मतलब वो सर बाद में समझ में आते हैं बट अगर किसी ने अपने को स्टार्टिंग में ही वो हेल्प कर दिया एक तो सर मतलब लास्ट में मतलब अपना जो रिजल्ट अभी जो आया है तो सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा अच्छा और बेटर आ सकता है.
But I will tell you a problem with this. If I tell you like this and this is my advice. Like let's say that don't study signal and system before network theory. This is my advice to you. Okay, but how would you determine that this is a good advice for me? Yeah, you understand it, and you don't listen to it. Basically, this is the thing that we always say that seniors ने मुझे guide नहीं किया and those things. But the thing is that you are not receptive. I'm not talking about you, but generally people. Because a good advice is not valued. A bad advice is valued more than a good advice.
Yes,
you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because
a good advice will say that.
See, you would call your friend boring if he says that let's converse in English. Here onwards, we will converse only in English. You will call him like, yeah, he's boring, he's not cool.
yes.
But if that same that same friend comes to you and say that let's do some chilling, dude, let's go to MP or or a movie, you'd say that yeah, this guy is good. So this is the people generally
The movie to dekhna chahiye.
yeah, it is I understand that. But
yes,
but it should come in a limit, right? You would not go to a movie without doing what you are supposed to do. Like if you have some assignment pending, if that assignment is going unsubmitted and you are going to a movie, then that I think is not a good thing.